Do you like lettuce? Can you say lettuce?
You know, that's Peeper.
They're like, yeah, I got this.
This chicken always comes up. They'll come right out a little bit, and then...
You guys are stinkers. What?
How you say?
I wonder if the chickens would eat it if they could.
Danny, get that thing out of here.
Out, out. He found that fair and square.
I know. I'll take a video of him. Just
Hey, here's one, you Doomkoff.
You're not gonna ham feed him, Eric?
Feed him my hand, maybe. Oh, the chickens want some too. There you go. He's nice.
Maybe you put some up in the top and
Yeah,
the chickens
maybe.
will go up there. Where's my dog?
You're worthless. Dog.
Where is he?
He's incorrigible. Hopefully he won't be put it back.
He found this. He's really proud of himself. It's like leg bone of a deer. The bones. You're so proud, but you're not taking that in the house. I just want you to know that. You look really prehistoric, Danny. I'm not gonna... You're so funny. Okay, let's... Did the chickens get any?
Couple. I think we'd have to separate them to... Did you find your dog?
Yeah, I took a picture
What
of
was he doing?
him walking around with his bone.
I don't think he can... it's been sitting there all winter.
Is it bad for him?
Probably.
Oh, we should.
I wonder if he dug it up.